Here's an historic home in Colonial Williamsburg, Virginia. And there's the well at the house. And these structures were built from wood. And there's a staircase with no handrail. There's the dental molding, no gutter. But you've got the ground level brick gutter and the historic light fixtures. Interesting way to have a self-closing gate. And the siding is all wood, and much of the work was accomplished by carpenters and joiners and slaves. And they were skilled or non-skilled. And that there is called the Colonial bead that's fastened to the house structure. The wooden siding, the original windows, the shutters, the ironwork to hold the shutters, and the fasteners and the bead. And there's a double door down to the crawl space lower floor under the house. And this was restored with the exterior weatherboarding, and the chimney stacks were rebuilt. Sometimes there was a cellar that was created. There's the fireplace and the flue going all the way up. No damper. The firebox. Painting of one of the presidents. In the interior rooms, there's only 4 of them. They're basically the same, but the amazing hardware, the door handles, the hinges, the locks, knockers, the cabinet hinges, the latches, the drawers, all of that ironwork was done by blacksmiths. And so when you inspect a colonial home, as a home inspector, you have to think about how does the historic integrity need to be compromised to meet modern safety standards or building codes.